Hello po.
Hello.
Hello.
Can I ask, can you take your seat ka? Kasi nakatayo kayo. Gusto ma... Sige na, please. Eh, may upuan eh. Sabi ko, parang hindi ka... Bago ko tutugtugan, ako po yun na-feature doon March po sa Eat Bulagan. I was the one who featured there. I'm very happy na pinagbigyan ako ng executive producer ng Eat Bulagan.
Yeah.
So, I hope you will like it.
Congratulations po.
Thank you po.
Congratulations.
Dito na kayo. Sige na. Let me